Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Ram K English. Friends, my name is Ram and I am from Ayodhya, Uttar Pradesh. Friends, if you click this video, it really means you want to improve your communication skill, also be want a fluent in English. Friends, I want to tell you before starting this video, I am not a teacher, I am not a trainer, just I am a learner and I am learning my English conversation, what type of English can teach me how I can speak English and how can I improve my communication skill and how can I make me comfortable to deal something big like any brand deal, like any business deal, everything which is related from English. So I am making here myself comfortable and be confidential. So please stay tuned for the next some tips. And friends, in today's video I am going to tell you why I love learning English, why I love learning English and everything which is related from English, and how you can improve your English and how you can use English word sentence by sentence, word by word. So please watch this video until the end. Nowadays, friends, how many importance of English, and why we can grow with English. And friends, without English anybody cannot survive in corporate job and medical job and airport jobs. Everywhere, you know all the name, every names which comes in your mind you recognize, and after some time your mind gives you answer. That's all the name which came in your mind. Everywhere is English required. But how you can comfortable in those areas with English conversation, and how you can speak English without any English videos, without any English paid classes, without any rule of grammar. So please keep practice. Without practice, any language you cannot learn. Friends, I want to recall you one thing. When we all were a very small child, then everyone could not know what the language they have delivered and what type of language will survive they need of them. But everyone, what, in our country Hindi is our mother language, and everywhere English is compulsory, not in a everywhere, but in a corporate job and medical job, school job, and everything which is from real knowledge, you know English is required for that place. But everywhere, like a normal rural language is a Hindi, and every state of India, all them called Hindi. But friends, you have to know everything. Another thing, friends, I want to tell you, friends, when I was 20 years old, I could not speak English properly, but I dreamed every time, every second, and every moment. One day, I will make sure I will become a good English speaker, and everywhere, whenever and everywhere I will go, I will comfortable to myself in front of people, in front of my boss. But I don't like now this time to anyone who become my boss. Just because of that, I am also want to become a boss. Just because of that, it is not my proud, it is my gratefulness, and everything comes by my practice. But you don't know what is my dream. But friends, you have to know dream is not without any practice. Dream never fulfill without your practice, without your hard work, without your consistency. If you make yourself in any relatable work. Whatever you want to become in your life, without consistency, you cannot achieve your goal. If you want to achieve your goal, then you have to consistency, and you have to work and hard work with the patience, with the knowledge of mind, with a very gratefulness, with a very humble. Whenever anyone gives you threat and they call you mind and they call half mind, you you don't need to give them answer. You have to put down your head. You have to put down your head like this, and you have to work hard work with a single smile, and you have to hard work, do again and recognize you what is needed for your success. When you try this type of method, then you can learn everything. It's maybe English language, it's maybe your public speaking, it is your it's become your modulation and everything, and personality development also. Friends, why I am learning English and why I love English, it is the only 3 or 4 reason. Friends, it gives me very confident. Whenever I will go, I will make sure and make me comfortable to deal everything, just like our language exchanging and everything. You know what, friends? Every country have their native language, and all over the world, English is a one language that allow all the over. And you know, friends, I want to become a good traveler in my future. So I am making me comfortable to learn English, and this is the first and best reason for me why I love learning English. And another thing is, you know what? How many type of web series and English Hollywood movies they first time of OTT platforms, movies and web series gives in a English, and they have also give a English title. So I want to make me comfortable to understand what the wise and what the central of the movie, and what is the main meaning of the movie, and what is the sense of the movie. I want to understand, and this is the second reason. And third reason is, it's make me comfortable to achieve my dream. Just like it may be a government job, it may be a corporate job, and it can maybe a any type of job which you may be private, everything. Wherever I want to go, everywhere English is very needed. And friends, I want to tell you all the dreams how you can make possible. Friends, everything without your practice cannot achieve. Friends, if you make yourself comfortable with the consistency and hard work, and day by daily you make to practice without any excuses, then you can make yourself comfortable, and you can also love learning of English. Friends, if you day by daily practice in front of your mobile camera, in front of peoples, then you can become a good English speaker. This is the very good and best idea for yourself and also myself. Friends, I want to बाय बाय मीन्स मैं जाना चाहता हूँ. सो प्लीज़ वॉच दिस वीडियो अंटिल द एंड, एंड आई होप यू ऑल आर गाइज वेरी गुड. एंड मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद.